Good morning. Scott from Detect Florida, getting ready to hit this 1923 schoolhouse. It's going to be an interesting hunt. Not sure it's ever been hit before. It's definitely abandoned, so maybe I'll get some cool photos and find some awesome stuff. And really looking forward to this. Been wanting to hit this for a couple years now, so we'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so it's been about an hour, and I've discovered one major thing, and that's that somebody has been here before me, either in this morning or within the last day or two. There's fresh holes and trash left everywhere that they've dug out of the ground, which I really don't appreciate, having to pick up someone else's trash to keep our names in good standing. But now I'm out here hitting this open field, and I just got permission to hit a structure across the street which is older than this 1923 schoolhouse. So I'm gonna go hit this field a little bit longer, see what I can find. Found a copper penny from the 60s and one brand new one so far, but I'll get back to you. Alright, so wrapping up the hunt at the old schoolhouse. This is basically what it is: 4 pennies and some junk, and picking up somebody else's junk. In the bucket it goes. Thanks for leaving it behind.